In this video, we're just going to go through a couple inequality problems where we have a word problem and we have to write it as an inequality. An online furniture store sells chairs for $50 each and tables for $400 each. The store must sell a minimum of $8,300 worth of chairs and tables each day. Write an inequality that could represent the possible values for the number of tables sold, T, and the number of chairs sold, C, that would satisfy the constraint. So when you do these word problems, you always want to look for these words that tell you what kind of sign you're going to use. Now this one says we have to sell a minimum of $8,300. So that means my inequality needs to have an 8,300 as well as a sign saying that 8,300 is the lowest it can be. So whatever I write for my inequality, whatever I write on the left side, has to be greater than or equal to 8,300. It says chairs are $50 each plus $400 per table. So the amount of money I make in chairs plus the amount of money I make in tables has to be bigger than or equal to 8,300. And that's that. Let's do another example problem. Thanks to Delta Math for these. It says Colton has N nickels and D dimes. He has no more than $2 worth of coins. So right here, this is a very important statement. No more than $2. So we do 5 cents per nickel plus 10 cents per dime. And we know that that number has to be less than or equal to $2. Perfect. One more example. Hunter and his children went into a movie theater and will buy bags of popcorn and drinks. Each bag of popcorn costs $5.50 and drinks cost $6. Oops, popcorn's $5.50. Hunter has a total of $80 to spend on popcorn and drinks. Write an inequality that would represent the possible values for the number of bags of popcorn purchased, B, and the number of drinks purchased, D. Oh, popcorn is B bags of popcorn. So he has $80 to spend, so the total of these two items has to be less than or equal to $80. So the hardest part of these, besides getting the variables right, like I just did here, is finding the right words to emphasize what the inequality is that you're supposed to be using. So look for words like no more than, no less than, at most, at least. Those are important words that will help you determine which sign to write for these. Just to prove that I got it right. Perfect. That's all for today. Thank you for watching.